Hello and welcome to Waste Equipment Supplies. Today we are going to be doing a video of our brand new XT pack vertical baler. We will be doing a full video on how much cardboard goes into a bale, the full operations, tying off and ejecting the bale to make a 500 kg bale. We hope you enjoy. Firstly, open the baler chamber door using the turnbuckle. When handling wire, you must always wear gloves and eye protection. Feed the straight end of the wire through the channels on the chamber floor. Hook the loop end around the tabs as demonstrated. Repeat for all 4 slots. Close the bottom door and clamp with the turnbuckle until hand tight. Place a large flat piece of card on the floor of the baler. This will form the base of our cardboard bale. Fill the chamber with cardboard. Boxes do not need to be broken down. Load material evenly within the baler chamber to ensure the baler produces a uniform bale. Lower the loading gate, press reset followed by start. Reset only needs to be pressed on the first cycle. Continue to fill and cycle the baler until the end beacon illuminates, signalling the bale is complete. We recommend placing a piece of flat card on top of the bale material to cap off the bale. To do this, press the 2 upwards buttons on the side of the panel. Place your flat piece of card and cycle the baler. When the ram stops at its bottom position, open the bottom door. At the rear of the machine, pass the wire back over the top of the bale through the slots in the ram box. Unhook the looped end from the tabs. Pass the wire through the loop. Pull tight, leaving around 10 cm slack. Pass the wire through the loop a second time and wrap the excess wire around itself. Repeat for all 4 wires. Place a pallet in front of the baler for the bale to eject onto. Press the magnet door release button to open the top loading gate. Press and hold the dual-handed upwards buttons on the side of the control panel. The bale eject will engage and eject the bale onto the pallet. When the upward buttons are released, the eject mechanism will return to its original position ready for another bale. During this demonstration, we achieved a bale weight of 495 kilograms. Thanks for watching, guys. For all your waste machinery needs, check out wasteequipmentsupplies.com and be sure to follow us on all our socials: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn and YouTube. We'll see you next time.